Next is the high-speed chase lesson. So in this one, we're going to add a speed variable for your vehicle. So we need to find an easier way to change the speed and allow it to be accessed from the inspector. So they're just going to add a speed variable. So we can do that in Game Creator 2 as well by creating a global. We'll just do global variables. We'll just create a variables folder and create Game Creator variables, name variables. So in the global variables, we can just change this to speed, and it's a number and 20. So there, and then they are going to use that in their times 20 right there. So that's back where we had in the last one, where we had this value 2. We would just change that to variables, global name variables, and bring in the global speed variable. So now we can change it through here. Now it's doing 20. Okay. Okay, next, now they're going to do the camera. So they want a chase camera for this. So instead of doing this, we are going to create a camera shot. So just do create game creator, cameras, camera shot. This will be the main camera. And it's going to be a follow target. And the look target is not going to be player. We don't have a player object. It's going to be a game object. And set the vehicle. And the same thing for follow. And they're going to set the offset here as well. So they're setting an offset of 0.5 minus 7. So that's built into Game Creator. So we'll just do that. 0.5 and minus 7. And let's just test that out. And there's our offset. Okay, so next they're going to make that into a variable. So let's do that in our global variables. We'll add a new variable for offset. And we can set that to a Vector3, 5 minus 7. And then over here in the player controller, in the camera shot, we want, instead of hard coding it here, we can bring in the global variable, offset variable, and we'll see that it works. Should work. And it works the same. Smooth the camera with late update. Are we noticing that the camera is jittery? We don't need to worry about this because the shot camera enables that, and we're in the game time mode. I think it automatically does that, so we don't need to fix that because it isn't jittery. We're not seeing the jitter that you would have if you were using code, right? Because the code would be in the update method. But we don't have to worry about that with Game Creator 2 because it automatically handles the cameras in using the camera shot, so we don't need to do that. And the tint color, you can change your Playmode tint color in the preferences, in the settings. And that's here, colors, Playmode tint, just in case you wanted to do that. And that's it for high-speed chase. We're done. So next we're going to do the step into the driver's seat.